So this is a prototype of the electronic focuser I'm working on for my William Optics FLT91. It's an Arduino Nano and Trinamic 2209 driver based setup with an NEMA 17 stepper motor, and believe it or not, it's actually running. So this is how quiet it is. Super smooth and quiet. At the moment I'm driving it with 12 volts, and while it's moving the motor it draws about 0.8 amps, and when it's holding it in place it's about 0.2, what is it, 0.23 amps, which is not too bad. Still need to properly implement the code on the Arduino and then program an indie driver as well for it.